up is, how do we know when to combine like terms or what exactly to do? So what I did is I just kind of created some common examples that you guys will have today, as well as some ones that you just to remind yourself of. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to solve each one of these problems and explain again why their answer is. Okay? So first of all, 5 times 2, there's really nothing secret about that or crazy. That's 10. And you guys should be familiar with that. 5 plus 2, there's really nothing crazy about that. That's 7. Okay? However, now once we introduce variables into our expressions, we have our monomials, right? And these are these terms. When you are adding or subtracting monomials, you have to have common factors. Notice that the factors for you have to have common variable factors. The variable factor for x is just x and 1.
Mr. McLogan?
Yes?
Can you please send Lynette to the main office for checkout, please?
Okay.
I'm sorry?
Yes. Lynette. Yes, that's okay.
Thank you, Mr. McLogan.
Lynette, that's your homework. So you have 5x plus 2x. Again, they both terms have the same variable factors of x. So therefore, Brianna, all I need to do is add the coefficient, which will be 7x. All right? It doesn't now, if you guys look at this, 5x squared plus 2x squared. Now both variable factors are x squared, which is x times x. They have the same variable factors. So again, I can add them to 7x squared. All right? However, when you're multiplying them, notice how when I added them, I just added the coefficients and the variable factor remained the same. However, when I'm multiplying monomials, you have to apply the rules of exponents. And the rules of exponents tell us that we can multiply our coefficients, which would be 10, just like we did up here. But instead of keeping these, like when you add them, you now need to add the power. So it would be x to the 5th. Okay, so that's where the rules of exponents come in. When you multiply or divide, you have to add or subtract. However, when you're just adding, as long as they have the same variable factors, you just add the coefficients. But here is an example where we don't have the same variable factors. I have x squared, which has the variable factors x times x, where 2x cubed has the variable factors x times x times x. So therefore, I cannot combine these. So you just leave it like that. They're not like terms. And the same fact here. Here, this has the variable factors x times x. Here has the variable x times x. However, this also has the y. So since they don't have exactly the same variable factors, you cannot combine these terms. OK? So it's going to come